Before we start this next slide, I want to show you what they're looking for here. So we've got a table. They want us to draw a number line diagram and complete the table. And in completing the table, they want us to give an addition equation. So the first thing they want for us to do is they're saying our temperature is starting off at positive 40 degrees. So they want us to draw an arrow up to 40 degrees. And then they're saying it's getting 10 degrees warmer. 10 degrees warmer would take us to 50 degrees. And notice that the addition, the final answer would be positive 50. And our addition equation needs the 40 plus the 10 to equal 50. If we're getting colder, like in that second example, here's what they want. They want us to, again, start at 40. The temperature is 40 degrees above zero. And then it gets 5 degrees colder. So they want us to draw an arrow 5 degrees colder, and we end up at negative 35, at positive 35. Desmos might take plus 35 or just 35. I think it would take either. The addition equation that they're looking for here, though, even though we're subtracting 40 minus 5, they want you to write an addition equation. So what they're looking for here is 40 plus negative 5 equals 35. So make sure you use an addition equation here as opposed to a subtraction equation. Sometimes we put parentheses around the negative to indicate that we're adding a negative number. Okay, so a couple little things there to watch out for. This is looking for an addition equation, not a subtraction equation.